Ready Steady Eat. This is your gourmet guru Saloni, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simply delicious side dish, the crispy French fries. French fries need to be fried twice, and when you do this, you will get an amazing combination of light fluffy interiors with a crisp exterior. So first we are going to wash and peel the potatoes, and then we are going to slice them into strips. I've cut mine into 1/4 inch thick, but you can cut them as you wish. If you like them thin or thicker, the choice is yours. Now rinse them over cold running water, and we're going to keep them in ice cold water for about an hour. And now I'm going to patch dry these because it can be very dangerous to put wet potatoes into hot oil. Heat oil in a pan, and now we're going to fry them. I'm going to put them one at a time. Be careful that the oil is going to splash. Don't add too many at a time. Fry them for about 8 to 10 minutes so they are a little soft. So now that these have been frying for about 8 to 10 minutes, you can see that they are done. And I'm going to remove this. Drain them nicely. When you're ready to serve the French fries, heat the oil really hot, and then put in the French fries, and then put the French fries into the oil and let them fry for about 3 to 4 minutes till they are golden and crispy. Now that the oil is really hot, you can see it bubbling, and I'm going to add the French fries. Be careful here. The oil is really hot. A few at a time. Keep stirring. Take a fresh kitchen towel, and now we are going to drain these beautiful French fries onto the kitchen towel. I'm putting some salt onto them and giving it a nice toss. There you go, some yummy French fries. You can serve it with a creamy cheese sauce or with a chili tomato sauce, whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed watching my recipe. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe to our channel for more such yummy and exciting recipes.